Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about papayas, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for using papaya. So if you're new to papaya and you're not quite sure what to do with it, hopefully this will help. First of all, you could just simply scoop out the pulp of a fresh papaya and just enjoy it like it is. If you want to add a little bit of a zing to it, you could drizzle a little bit of lemon juice or even lime juice on top and just eat it just like that. Now when you're adding fresh papaya to a fruit salad, you want to add that papaya just before serving it. Don't add it early on. The enzymes in the papaya can cause the other fruit to become soft. Okay, so add it at the last minute. The seeds of papaya are edible. They can be a little bit bitter, but they do have a peppery flavor to them. So you could dry the seeds and chew them whole or grind them up in a spice grinder and use them like a pepper. So why not experiment and give that a try? You can combine diced papaya with cilantro, jalapeno peppers, and ginger to make a salsa that would go really well with seafood. You can make a little serving bowl out of papaya by slicing it lengthwise, remove the seeds, and then fill the cavity with a fruit salad, and then top it with a couple of mint leaves for a nice presentation, and you're ready to go. How about blending papaya, strawberries, bananas, and yogurt for a really yummy smoothie? Unripe papayas are often used as a vegetable and added to curries, salads, and stews, especially in Southeast Asian dishes. Try a tropical fruit salad with fresh papaya, mango, and pineapples. Oh, that sounds really good. How about adding some dried papaya to a rice pilaf? That would be a great flavor twist. Add papaya chunks to chicken, tuna, or shrimp salad. In a lot of recipes, papaya can be used in place of mango. So if you've got a papaya, you don't have a mango, the recipe calls for mango, use that papaya. How about baking some ripe papaya with a sprinkle of brown sugar and a drizzle of rum? Ooh, that sounds good. You could also add some grated or very thinly sliced unripe papaya to a coleslaw for a different flavor twist. The flavor of fresh papaya is best when it's cold, so refrigerate it first before enjoying it to get the best flavor out of it. Here's an interesting addition to a breakfast or even make it as a dessert. You can slice a papaya lengthwise, scoop out the seeds, and then fill the cavity with a mixture of yogurt and blueberries. Sounds really good. You can make a tropical smoothie with blending coconut milk and diced papaya and a few ice cubes. Very simple but good. How about making a papaya chia pudding by combining some chopped papaya with a cup of almond milk or milk of your choice, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into a mason jar, cover it, place it in the fridge, and allow it to chill and thicken. That sounds like an easy pudding to me. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.